Hello students, good afternoon. Yesterday we have seen some problems I told you which are relating trigonometric ratios of specific angles. We discussed it and I told you, I explained you very clearly the angles which are related 0 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees, etc. Trigonometric ratios which are having that special relation or specific relation for the sine in terms of sine, cos, tan, cosecant and secant and cot. Yesterday I told you, today we will discuss only about the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, trigonometric ratio of 60 degree. So, the value how it is coming there, we are going to deriving the value we have seen from the table and we observed. Suppose if you observe there, I told you sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, 60 sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, how it is coming there. From the diagram we will see that derivation of them, how to derive or how to find the value of 60 degrees root 3 by 2, how the value is coming for cos 60, tan 60, cosecant 60, secant 60, cot 60, how to find the value, because these values will help you in future and the shortcut methods and short ways and short concepts which are basic fundamentals which are helping to overcome or to get command on the subject, and not only that, which are helpful for you to fill in the blanks or 1 mark questions or 2 mark questions, the relation. So, anyhow if you want command on the subject in mathematics for derivations, how to prove, how to get the values, these are very important concepts. So, let us see now trigonometric ratio of 60 degrees, we will see that, okay na? Right. Before that I have to draw the diagram. First I have to draw diagram. How to draw the diagram? Let us see now, okay. Now, how to draw the diagram? I have to take the scale, I must draw. How to draw the diagram? You must take first to equilateral triangle, okay. We have to take equilateral triangle. So, figure a diagram, and from this trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. Trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. This is the heading, okay. Now, we have to draw the diagram. How to draw? Take the scale and take 5 centimeter, approximately 6 centimeter, we have to draw. First we should take base. Approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimeters lines, and we should go for this. For the middle line we have to make it the dot, and which is dividing the line segment into two equal parts. We have to draw. This is the perpendicular bisector, and then we have to join this line. This is equilateral triangle. Okay. Next, this is equilateral triangle. You can draw like this. Okay. So this is the equilateral triangle, Anna. We have to observe this. Now in this I have to take vertices. This is A and B and C. So ABC is a triangle. Okay. And then from the angle A, from the vertex of angle A or from the vertex A, we have to draw the line which is perpendicular to BC, which is dividing these two equal parts, and let that this point be D. AD is the perpendicular line. So 3 is what we have to see in this. All the sides are equal. That's why we can take this is A and this is also A side. Okay. You have to draw this. Put the arrow mark like that, and here also write side AB A, and here also you can write this. Put the arrow mark. This is A, and here also. So all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. Now what do you notice here? If you observe, what do you notice? So BD plus DC, nothing but BC, it is equal to A, but BD is half of BC, that means we can write A by 2. This is A by 2, and here also you can write A by 2. A by 2 plus A by 2, it becomes A only, addition. Now the angles, if you want to see that, we have to take, let this is 30 degrees, okay, and here it is 60 degrees we have to take. This is 90 degree. I told you perpendicular means 90 degrees will come. Okay, this is 90 degrees. So this is about the diagram. Now if you observe there, if you take a triangle ADB, at angle D is 90 degrees, angle B 60, angle A is 30 degrees. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. 90 plus 60, 150 plus 30, 180. Okay. Now if you observe, we know the AB side, we know the AB side BD, then we don't know this AD side, that we need to require to find. Okay children. Now let us see that how to find that side. This is clear about the diagram. Now we need to find the, we have to apply what? Apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem is very important. I will explain this theorem also in geometry when I will start there. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. No. So we have to go for this. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. That means, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Means, AD one side, BD one side and AB one side. So, AB is called that hypotenuse and the rest of the two sides, one is opposite side and another one is adjacent side. So, the square of the hypotenuse AB square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides means AD square plus BD square. That is how to do that. So, we have to write the statement and the definition. I told you. Now, we have to write the equation. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem equation. Now, according to this, we have to write AC we want to find. No, we want to find AD. So, according to this, here the sides are different here. So, according to that, what we have to write? AB square we have to take. AB square is equals to, from figure, if we observe that AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square or BD square, anything you can take, AD square plus BD square. This is from the diagram. Okay. So, this from this we have to derive formula. So, according to this, what we have to write? So, we need to find AD square. So, AD square if you want means BD square we must send this side from right hand side, and if you send to left hand side plus BD square becomes minus BD square. So, therefore, we can write AD square is equals to we can write AB square minus BD square. What is AD? If you remove the square AD, then it is coming under root of AB square minus BD square. Okay. So, what is AB square? What is AB value? AB value is A, right? A, and the square is there, square you write, minus what is BD? A by 2, A by 2 square, you can keep in the bracket this, then root as it is. Okay. Now, so let us see what is coming next equation. Therefore, AD is equals to you write as it is under root of AC square you write by 1 minus this square is there. This square is applying for numerator and denominator. If you apply for A square it becomes. Now, if you apply this square 2, so denominator the 2 square becomes what is coming 4, 2 into 2 4. So, therefore, you can write A square by 4. Then find the LCM for this. What is coming LCM? So, LCM is getting 4 and 4 is there, 1 is dividing LCM for 4. I have to write that 4 LCM is 4 in this. So, 1 is dividing to 4, 1 is dividing to LCM 4 times, 4 into A, 4A square minus 4 is dividing to LCM 1 time, 4 ones, 1 into A square. Okay. Now, what is coming next step? Yes. What is the next step? Can you guess? What is the next step? AD is equals to. So, here AD is equals to, we can write plus 4a square minus a square 3a square. So, 3a square by 4, right, root as it is. So, next, what next? Next what is coming, just see that. So, next step we have to split the roots numerator for denominator. So, root 3a square AD is equals to root 3 into root a square, you can write like this. You can write why, because root a into root b, root of ab. So, this we can split like that, root 3 into root a square is nothing but root of 3a square will come there, divided by root 4. So, what is the next step? Root 3 as it is, then here square and root and square cancel, into a will come, root 3a, root 4 is 2. So, this is AD value. Okay? You must remember this, very important this. Clear? Now, next, now we know that let AB is equals to A, BD is equals to A by 2. Okay. Next, what is coming? AD is coming root 3a by 2. So, this is there from right angle triangle. So, according to this, we want to find sin theta ratio. Sin theta ratio, what is coming? Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is that is equals to, what is coming there, opposite side is, for 60 degrees opposite side is AD will come there, AD by, then what is coming here, hypotenuse AB. Okay, this is there. Now, in the place of theta we have to take 60 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 60 degrees is equals to AD. What is the value AD? Root 3 by 2a, root 3a by 2. Next, what is AB? Whole divided by, AB is nothing but a. We can write here a by 1, anything is not the denominator, we can write a by 1. Then according to this, what is coming, children? Can you guess that? What? Yes, sin 60 degrees is equals to, this fraction we have to see, root 3 by 2, right, as it is, root 3a by 2 as it is, into denominator, here it is, what is there, a by 1 is there, a by 1 denominator will you send or will forward to numerator, a by 1 it becomes 1 by a. So, that is why we can write 1 by a. Now, a get cancel. Now, sin 60 degrees, sine 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. So, this is answer, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. How to prove? Okay, children. Next, we will go to cos 60. What is coming? Cos 60 we will see now. Cos 60. What is coming? Cos 60. Cos 60. Yes. Cos 60, how it is coming? Let us see. Cos 60 or cos theta. Cos theta from right angle triangle, adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equals to, adjacent side is BD is coming there. Adjacent side for 60 degrees BD and hypotenuse AB. So, BD by AB we have to write. Okay, children, right. Next, in the place of theta we have to take 60. Cos 60 degrees is equals to, BD means A by 2, okay, whole divided by AB means A by 1, we can write like this. Okay. Now, from this what we can do? Next step is coming, A by 2 you write as it is, then A by 1 from denominator to will shift to numerator, it becomes 1 by A into 1 by A. So, A get cancelled or A once A like this. Next what is coming? 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1, anything is not there, 2 into 1 2. So, therefore, cos 60 degrees, cos 60 degrees, cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. So, this is how to find the value. So, next we will try that. Children, are you going to understanding, children? I am going to explaining very slowly only for you. I am explaining very slowly. So, I hope you are going to understand. If you are having any doubt, you can ask now only, otherwise I can't. Okay. So, next we have to go for that sine over cos over tan. Tan we have to say tan theta. Tan theta, what is coming, children? Opposite side by adjacent side, that is opposite side by adjacent side, that is equals to, opposite side we can take as AD and adjacent side is BD. So, we can take as tan 60, in the place of theta we can substitute tan 60 degrees. Actually tan 30 previous we got 1 by root 3. Now, tan 60 it is coming reverse, root 3 has to come. Let us see whether it is coming or not, we have to check it. So, AD value you know, root 3 by 2, root 3 A by 2 whole divided by, we can write BD is A by 2. Okay. Now, in this fraction denominator A by 2 will shift to numerator, it becomes 2 by A, reciprocal for that fraction. So, therefore, you can write root 3A by 2 into 2 by A. Now a get cancel and 2 get cancel. Now what is the rest of the number? Root 3. So therefore we can write tan 60 degrees, we got root 3. So I told you tan 60 has to come root 3 value. So this is the table how it is coming there. Okay. Similarly, we have to write what is here sine. Sine for cosecant. Cosecant, what is coming? Cosecant, yes, cosecant. You can write cosecant. Reciprocal of this cosecant 60. So cosecant 60 means 1 by root 3 by 2, that means it will go 2 by root 3. Next to secant 60. Secant 60. Secant 60 is coming, cos 60 is 1 by 2 we got, and cos for secant reciprocal 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2 means 2 by 1, that is nothing but 2. And similarly cot 60, cot 60, that means tan 60 how much? Root 3, and cot means we have to write reciprocal. So that is 1 root 3, 1 by root 3 will come there. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So these are the values about, I told you, we discussed about the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees, how they are getting the values. I showed you very clearly through the diagram, I explain you. Okay, whether you are not able to understand, and just go to this, you have to play the video. I will upload this on YouTube, so you can go and search YouTube trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees, how to find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, then the video will come. How many times you want to, you can see, you can watch the video. Okay. So now we got the answers very clearly. What are the values? Today we proved that trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. So 60 degree I told you, sine 60 root 3 by 2 we got, is it or not? Next cos 60 we got there 1 by 2, right. Next tan 60 we got root 3. Next you can see that cosecant 60 2 by root 3. Next secant 60, the answer is 2. Then cot 60 1 by root 3. Children, actually we will learn the table how to remember. Some students are by hearting only from table the value sin 60, sin 60, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 60, not like that. So how many values you are going to by hearting like that? It is not possible always. So generally we have to remember the concept. Through the concept you can anytime, anywhere, whatever it is you can do it. I understand, according to myself I am thinking that without by hearting, if you remember the concept, it is very easy, and the lifelong you can remember these values. That is why I am telling to you. Okay children, I hope you understand this concept. Okay. So next time we will come to another concept, and till the time, bye bye. Thank you children, giving this good opportunity for me.